In this video, we're going to be going over how to sign up to Qwen AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to chat.qwen.ai. From here, we simply need to click the sign up button in the top right. We now have the option to sign up with your name and a valid email address and a password at the top. Alternatively, we can continue with Google or GitHub. I'm going to continue with Google. Once logged in, you'll need to confirm your details if you have chosen Google or GitHub. Then you'll need to complete a verification exercise. You can now start using Qwen AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.